In front of me is OPPO A57s, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off adaptive brightness on this OPPO. Begin by opening settings. In them you need to scroll down, choose display and brightness, and click on this switcher next to auto brightness feature. As you can see, after that, adaptive brightness is enabled, but you can always disable it by tapping on the same no green switcher. If you wish to, you can always go into tab menu instead and click on this icon next to brightness slider to switch on or off this feature. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!